Can you not? I'm stuck. This is what birds do to you when you. This is why you're not Booey Andrea. Because you die with me. Die, bozo. Oh no. Stop. We're both grappling into each other. We're going to all the way up to great heavens. Oh, great heavens, we both died. Now I lost my favorite color. Now this stinks. Stinky poo-poo. And what do you look at that? Pink is my second most hated color. Charges? Well, charges are my 11th favorite color. Same as purple. Is this indigo? Well, indigo is my 5th favorite color. That's great. Is it? Yeah, I hate gold. But the gold, oh my god, why charges? I hate abusing birds. Because I need to... Orange! Are you? No! No! Help! Help. Oh, and this turns you red, not blue. Oh! Oh, I like this color. Turquoise is my 4th favorite color. And also, turquoise is a blue color, not a green color. What do I see? Boop. Now run. Run to me. Run. Run. I'm running while I'm dancing. That's kind of weird to say. Is this weird to say? Wait, we're both mom birds too. What? I want to grapple to you. Why? Ah! Ipe. What's this? Oh, wait, it's a hat. Not should not have grapple into it. That would be game over for me. What's the dance for? Is this it? The balloon? No, this is not the balloon. And why did I pick this up? Throw this in the dark garbage. Okay. Oh, it says I'm a spy. I'm a spy too. JK. What's this? An avocado. So, wait, is there another hat? It is! It's like a business hat. Where's the balloon thing again? What's this? Is that a bean? And that's gold? Oh, hello. You're gonna be my new mother. Go. Is it encrypted into it? Okay, please tell me. No, it's not even grapple into it. This stinks, man. No, do not. Ah! Yeah, blood is my dead. No, I hate slime. You thought I like slime? Haha. Joke's on you. Nope, I hate gold. Why am I picking gold? Or is this tan? I'm not slow, you're slow. Okay. I will stop harassing Roblox. Turquoise! How did you get your head stuck in there? That's the most dumbest thing you ever get in with your bird. Hey, stop grappling me. Oh, I grapple you. Let's go all the way to Mount Cheeria. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Ah! Whoa. Where's the balloon? That? No, what's that? What's that? Oh, that's just a rock. An avocado. Why? Why are so many avocados? Avocados from Mexico. Can I have that sword? Oh my god, I swayed half of you. Ah! I'm gonna get my revenge. I think I used that old one from 2019. Okay. Grimmy. Ah! You dumber. Vroom vroom, you cannot get me. They have reached hacks also. They should be banned from Roblox as reaching hacks. Who are you? Zong? My Kong? No, just kidding. I'm not gonna report you. I am an innocent person. I just died on the cake. The cake is a killer. Okay. Is that what I'm looking for? No, that's the nut. That's the nut. Hey, who's grappling onto me? Every time I jump, I like move 1/4 of it. Come on. Yeah. Red. What's this? That's a big banana. Oh no! Do not. Hey, why is there a tangerine in there? I'm really like floating around. Oh yes. I'm like glitching. I think I'm shredding someone. Let's let go of it. What's this? A radio? Is that quick? Quick forward like a bird. No, that's not the thing I'm looking for. What's that? What's that? Oh, it's Beanie. Let's try to jump into it. Oh, I look like Earth. Uh-oh. Abort. Oh no. Oh, I'm so lucky. What's over here? Oh, why did I grab this avocado? Avocados from Mexico. What's that? Bomb. I should threaten my enemies. Watch this, I'm gonna blow up this entire stadium. Weak. Run. Nope, you're not gonna get me this time. What's this, a toothbrush? Why there's a big hole right there? Is that a lollipop? I never eaten lollipop in the entire my life. Let's throw this thing in the trash. It has some grass in it. Throw in the trash. My phone's lagging so bad as I drop something. That. Oh, it's a hat. Yeah, that's the song that's still stuck in my head for like over a year. What is this? Is this what I'm looking for? Yes. Yes, finally, the balloon. I now look like I'm a floating clown. No one get this. get your balloons. If I was moving that if you see a oh no, I just docked one of my balloons. Okay. Red, so many red colors. Maybe red is secretly my favorite color. Yellow, and there's another yellow. This is like World Cup, but oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, now is something. Oh, I have balloons stuck into my body. After that, let's go, balloon team. Look how many balloons are stuck into me. How many things are now stuck into me, and some of them like capture. Why there's a hole into the bumpers? Watch this. I'm like flying away with the balloons. That's dangerous. I mean, I'm starting to get floaty over here. Yeah, I have an yeah, that's the song that stuck into my head for over a year. Can you guess that song? If you guess that song right, then we'll be pinned into the comments. Yeah, now stay. Whoa, I'm like flying. I'm like starting to fly. And you know what? I'm gonna put this. Oh, why is my neck stuck? Okay, climb with this. Climb me. Wait, I've been told I have only one. Oh, one of them popped by some pokey things. Oh no, it's starting to roll off. No. Okay. This is my favorite item then in this game. This game's called Bird. What about it's work? Yes. Okay, you stay right there. Stay in the spot. Why are you throwing stuff in the hole? That's so mean. No, I am not you. I am the chosen one. You are the not chosen one. Extra mean because you throw me in the trash. Wait, I could. Hey, who's? No, do not glitch me. I have a beanie and like the earth colors. Oh, thank you. No. I'm okay. Whatever you are. That's so dangerous. I almost fell off the entire world. No, who has the knife? Not me, because I'm my boyfriend from Finally 9. Sway. Get swayed. Get smashed. Get smashed. Have you seen a fly? Imagine your bird did this, then you're in danger. I'm like destroyed. I'm the chosen one to be in this arena. And you know I have a bit of scratch. Oh my god, what am I? You saw your bird doing this, then then get a new one. I'm like the Oprah. Oh, you can go over here. That's kind of secret. Watch this. Boop. You can be swayed over there. Get smashed by someone else's neck. I'm stuck. No, 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 no. Okay. Watch this. If you saw your bird doing this, then what is your bird doing? Whoa! I'm like bending my neck.
Yeah, well,